Right, so thoughts.
I don't know if you'll get. You might get 3 in, like. You might get 3.
One's right down there.
1. And 1. Nah. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just get 2.
Aye, maybe one drop down just slightly.
Slightly down, yeah.
The same on this side,
That's right.
and then one up there.
Because there's no behind here, is there? So
We
that's
don't
why we
need
can
to,
just
yeah.
get straight into it. Like.
Yeah.
So it should just screw in, shouldn't it?
Yeah,
You know what I
it'll
mean?
screw in. Yeah,
As long as we extend the wires now,
yeah, to where we want them to be.
and then I can just feed them. Well, feed them up behind there.
Yeah. To pull that back bit
Yeah.
to feed it in, and then in, and we can come through. Depends on if we're going to use the fuse thing like we did last time
Aye.
on it. You know, into the fuse box, kind
Yeah.
of running light,
Yeah.
for instance. And then we can feed the
Or even
cable,
the
feed it
sidelights.
through from here. Other
Even
side
when
lights.
you turn the lights on, just to come on, you know.
Because we can feed through here like did the other one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Slightly down that one, but not. I say slightly down, but it looks all right.
Yeah. I'll do the same with the other side. Maybe it's just lift that one up a bit. You know what I mean?
And this one, you want there.
Yeah.
But like, try and get it level with that one.
Which one?
This one here.
Unless we do same level as that one, and then when we do that side, that end one, bring that one up.
Yeah.
Just that.
Yeah.
little
So they're
touch.
just a touch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ended up stripping the whole front end off.